Ready?
Titan can hit someone from here if I got lucky.
As the title states, I got a lot of eliminations this round, so I'm going to put a kill counter in the corner so that we can keep track. So right here my scope cam is flashing quickly red, which means it's not recording. So there's a lot of footage that I've cut out that I've been shooting and maybe got a few kills, but it's okay to miss out on those. Right here, buddy. Yeah, me. I'm an enemy. Hey. Hey. Enemy. Sorry. Oh, wait, no. My camera ain't recording. Okay. So, oh, I'm sorry. Friendly, 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 friendly. Hit.
Where are we going?
Bucky's bottom. I don't know if somebody's still there.
Right.
All right. See this brown building?
Gonna go containers here. See if I
Okay.
can see him through
Yep, there's a guy running to Bucky's.
He's in Bucky's.
Okay. I just shot him in the arm. Come on. Call it, buddy, dude. Oh my God.
Hit him in the hand 3, like at least 8 times. He's not calling it.
So I counted 12 hits before he actually called it, which is insane.
There you go.
So I didn't know he was waving to me that he was hit. I thought he was just waving his gun, so I accidentally overshot him a little bit. Plus I was shooting at the guy behind him, and I just felt bad.
No man, holding the hill. No man's hold the hill. Hill is contested. Hill is contested. It's 1-1.
Got him, come on.
Actually, he barely dodged these, which is pretty cool.
Hit.
One bank. Bank.
Small window and door.
One down, one down. Bad, fuck me.
Hit. Reloading. Damn it. Damn it.
I added this round in here because it was different. Instead of having 3 flags, we had 1 single flag in the middle. It was kind of like King of the Hill, but you had to actually capture the flag. So enjoy the rest of the video.
Big tree, big tree, big tree. Oh. I got him. Big tree.
I cannot keep left-handed, bro.
I think I got him.
No man, hold the flag.
You gotta imagine me watching that whole thing.
Shit. Hey, these crates on the left. They're pushing left.
Yeah, we got one.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I'm not
There's another one coming up. Yep, see him all the way back there by the fire truck.
sure in the back.
Got him. Hit. Black SUV right here.
I'm probably gonna die, but just know that in the deepest of my heart.
Oh! Holy
Hey, there's no bang bang rule, just so you're aware.
Oh yeah, well I called it anyway.
Careful that way, careful that way.
Oh, you got hooked?
You dicked on me. Get sure.
That doesn't sound so nice.
I know, I just got it literally for Christmas. Oh, containers. Containers. Did I get him? Yeah. Holy shit.
I don't know. It looked like I don't see anyone. Yeah, it looked like it might have hit the truck, so I'm gonna let you walk it out.
Right here. Hit.
30 seconds!
Get him, get him, get him. I'm hit. No, we lost.
Actually, we won, but it was so devastating to that kid that he fell on his knees in disappointment. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Hey, you got a sweater on? I got a sweater on.